financial management. In the midst, I wish to join the other speakers in congratulating you. Mandate of laying emphasis on cooperative development of the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Education, Dr. Julia.
Honors, upper division,
we need a platform where wherever you are able to access on issues to do with any circle, any cooperative society that you require. A platform that you don't need to travel to Nairobi, to the headquarters, to get information on any society. You are able to get that information wherever you are.
We are going to have programs through the VC and Vice Chancellor Management and the Senate to develop tailor-made programs for the cooperatives, even those who have no degrees in cooperatives. We have a postgraduate diploma being developed through the VC now for all the cooperative officers in the counties.